Students, we were just discussing about the sum of the outer angles. Just previously we have proved a problem. Okay. Now just see once again a revision like the sum of the inner angles of a triangle is how much? Sum of the inner angles of a triangle is equal to 180. What will be the outer angle? What will be the outer angle? It is how much I said? 360. Right? Okay. In any case, but what is the sum of the inner angle and outer angle at one side? 180. Because it is a linear pair. Okay. It is a linear pair, so it is 180. Here also is 180. Everywhere it is 180. Okay. In all the cases, okay, whatever may be the polygon, it can be a triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, whatsoever. There will be a linear pair and the sum of the inner and outer. Okay, at one side it is 180. Alright, now we can draw a conclusion. The other day we said, what is the sum of the inner angles of a polygon? Yeah, the sum of the inner angles is equal to n minus 2 into 180. We discussed. Okay, this is only, once again I am bringing out the important matters of what we have already studied. Okay, the sum of the inner angles of any polygon that is equal to n minus 2 into 180. Now for example, if it is 3 sides, we have to write 3 minus 2 into 180. If it is a quadrilateral, how will you write? 4 minus 2 into 180. Okay, the inner angles. Okay. Again, the sum of the inner and outer angles of a polygon, how much? What is the sum of inner and outer? Okay, inside and outside, what will be the sum? Yeah, it varies for a different polygon. Triangle will be different, quadrilateral is different, pentagon again different, each one varies. Okay, so what is the formula? Number of sides. How many sides it does have? You have to look. Now, for a triangle, 3 sides are there. What is? So, 3 sides. So, we can write number of sides. 3 into 180. Inner and outer. How many inner sides are there? That many outer side also will be there. Pentagon, how many inside inner angles are there? 5. So, the same way, outer angle also will be the same. The number of inner angles will be equal to number of outer angles. Okay, number, not the sum. Sum is not same, sum is different. Okay, now sum of the inner and outer angles. Sum of inner and outer angles. How will you find out? For each of the polygon it is different. It varies. So number of sides into 180. Number of sides. Here how many sides are there? 3. 3 into 180 you will get. Okay. Now for a quadrilateral, how much? The sum of inner and outer, total sum, both inside and outside. Okay. This is inside, this is outside. You have to understand it clearly. What is the total sum? Total sum is equal to number of sides into 180. Alright. How many sides are there? That many you have to write. Okay. Hope it is clear to you. The sum of the inner and outer angles, number of sides into 180. Now, the sum of the outer angles. Now we found out what is inner angles, what is the total angles, what is the total sum. Now what is sum of the outer angle? How will you find out the sum of the outer angles? Earlier we already proved triangle, quadrilateral, we did a problem and we found out. In all the cases, what is the sum of the outer angles? Sum of the outer angle is how much? 360. Okay, you should never forget. Sum of the outer angles of any polygon. Triangle can be, quadrilateral can be, pentagon can be, hexagon can be at any side also. The outer angle will be, the sum will be 360. Okay, how will you find out? The formula is that sum of the outer angle is equal to, let us see whether it is correct or not. N minus, what is this one? Yeah, the total. Here we have written n into 180. Okay, n into 180. Outer total minus inside, then you will get outer, right? The total minus inside, you will get outer. Is it clear? Are you understanding? In order to get the outer one, from the total, we have to minus the inside one, right? Okay, so the sum of the outer angle is equal to total minus the inside, sum of the inner angle we have found out here. Okay, let us see whether it is getting 360 or not. Let's prove. So I have written there n into 180, that is the total, minus n minus 2 into 180. Okay, n into 180 n, minus into n, minus into minus 2, how much? Minus into minus 2 is how much? Minus into minus how much? Do you remember? What is minus into minus? Plus. Okay. Plus 2n. Okay. Into minus into 180 minus 180. Okay. Now, okay. Okay, we have to multiply. Sorry, here there is a slight mistake. Keeping the minus as it is, you have to multiply first here. Okay, n into 180 n. Then minus 2 into 180 minus 360. This is bracket is there. Okay. So now 180 n minus, here you see, minus 180 n, inside is plus, okay, minus into 180 n, minus 180 n, minus into minus, plus 360. I hope it is clear to you. So this plus 180 n minus 180 will get cancelled. What we have? 360. If it is clear to you, if you have some doubt here, once again you can look here. This was the outer, sum outer, okay. And this is inner, sum of inner angles. Now here you look, you have to subtract it. So whatever is here you have to multiply first. N into 180 n, minus 2 into 180 minus 360. We have a minus here, okay. So multiplying again you will get minus 180 n. When there is bracket, always you have to remember that is to multiply. Minus 180 n, minus into minus, plus 360. So both will get cancelled. We have 360. So in the beginning, when we were solving the problem the other day, we said the sum of the outer angles of a polygon is how much? 360. That is what we have proved with the equation. Okay, keep in mind always. So these are some of the important things. This sum of the inner angles, sum of the, what is sum of the outer angles? It is always unchanging. The heading is given in the textbook, unchanging sum. This sum will not change. The outer sum of the angles, the sum of the outer angles will not change, that is 360. But whereas instead you can change using this equation, you can find out that is n minus 2 into 180.